How to make app icons bigger on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you in order to help you to make the icons shape bigger on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. If you're tired of squinting at tiny app icons on your Android device, whether you have less than perfect eyesight or just prefer a more spacious home screen, increasing the size of your app icons can make your device more user-friendly and visually appealing. For that, long press on the home screen. After that, at the bottom of the screen, you'll find out different tabs. Simply select icons. Once you choose the icons, here are different style to change for the icons, or simply you can increase the shape or the size of the icons with the help of the slider which is underneath the icon. When you toggle or tap on that, you can easily see the preview of the application shape at top of the screen. When you decrease the slider, you can see that it has changed to a smaller one. So let's select the slider and then increase the shape. After a while, you need to tap on the apply button. Once it has been applied, you will automatically see that your apps has turned to bigger on size on your Android device. So that is how we can successfully make app icons bigger on Android. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.